Good morning students. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 13 Symmetry exercise 13.2. In the previous exercise 13.1 we had discussed all questions about the linear symmetry. Linear symmetry was there in which some geometrical figure in our environment, if dots are drawn, they are separated into equal parts, or when we folding the given objects it will superimpose to each other. Such figures were called the linear symmetry. Today we are going to different types of symmetry, which is called rotational symmetry. In the rotational symmetry, some figures are there which is not the linear symmetry, but on rotating to the some certain angles the figure become take the original position. So such figures are called rotational symmetry. Let's study about the some figures. Now see here in the exercise 13.2, which are the following figures have a rotational symmetry. See the figure number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If you observe the given figure very carefully, suppose that this is the point of rotation from here. In this figure it is here, and midpoint of this part, midpoint of this part, midpoint of this part, and midpoint of this part, where I told you these are called the center of the rotation. If we are rotating the figure number 1, after certain degree movement it will take the its original position. So this is called the rotational symmetry. If any figure rounding 360 degree, how many time take its original position? This is called the order of rotational symmetry. So I will take some examples so that I will make you understand. See the question number 6 here. Now see the question number 6 here. Draw roughly a hexagon which is regular. What is its angle of rotation and order of rotational symmetry? First of all, we have to draw a hexagonal figure like this way. Suppose that this is a hexagon. Now number of sides of a hexagon is equal to 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now what we have to find out? We have to find out what is the angle of rotation. How to find out angle of rotation? Angle of rotation 360 degree divided by side. Now 360 degree divided by side 6. 6 is 36. It is 60 degree. So angle of rotation of the given figure will be 60 degree, and this part will be the center of rotation. Now another thing what we have to find out, it is written here, and order of rotational symmetry. How to find out order of rotational symmetry? Order of rotational symmetry is equal to 360 degree and divided by 60 degree. How many times? 6 times. 60 divided 360 by 6 times. So this is our 6th order of rotational symmetry. Okay, now see the question number 7. What is the line of symmetry of a semicircle? Does it has a rotational symmetry? First of all, we have to draw a semicircle like this way. This is a semicircle. Okay. Now, this is the diameter. This is the diameter. So, what is the line of symmetry? If I take this dot line, this will divide the given figure in two equal halves, or after folding it will superimpose to each other. So does it a rational symmetry? What is the line of symmetry semicircle? So this point line is also called perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Now next question is asking, does it has a rotational symmetry? If we imagine that the figure has been rotating from this center point, it will take its original position. So our answer is no. So in this way you have to complete the given exercise. Okay student, thank you very much.